Have you ever been excited to build your project only to be stopped in your tracks by an error? It can be incredibly frustrating, right? If you're facing a Java.NET socket exception while trying to build your Qt project for Android, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle this issue together. I completely understand how annoying it is when you just want to get your project up and running, but instead, you hit a wall. You're not alone in this. Many developers encounter similar issues, especially when dealing with network configurations. Let's dive into the specific situation at hand. One user recently reported that they created a Qt project for Android, but every time they tried to build it, they encountered a java.net.socketException. They even tried running the Gradlew file in the command line, but the same error persisted. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be causing this java.net.socketException? It often points to network issues as problems with your internet connection or proxy settings. Even if you checked your networks and confirmed you're not using a proxy, there could still be underlying issues. Let's break it down. And stick around. I have some troubleshooting steps that could resolve this issue, and a pro tip at the end that will help you avoid similar problems in the future. To address the user's issue with the socket exception, the first step is to check the network settings. The user should ensure that their firewall or antivirus software is not blocking Gradle's access to the internet. Next, the user should verify the Gradle distribution URL in the Gradle wrapper.properties file. This file is located in the Gradle's wrapper directory of the project. The user should ensure it points to a valid Gradle distribution. If the URL is correct, the user can try switching to a different repository. Instead of using JCenter, they can add Maven Central to the build Gradle file. This can sometimes resolve dependency issues. Additionally, the user should consider using a local Gradle distribution. This can be done by downloading the Gradle zip file manually and configuring the project to use it. This avoids potential network issues. Finally, if the problem persists, the user can try running Gradle with the offline option. This can help if the issue is related to network connectivity. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of Gradle was released in 2007? It has come a long way since then, but network issues still seem to be a common hurdle for developers. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution involves checking the URL used for downloading Gradle. The user found that the original URL redirects to a new location, which could cause the connection reset error. They suggest replacing the old URL with the new one. Additionally, the user recommends upgrading to version 2.3.0 of the Android Gradle plugin, which is the latest version available. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always keep your Gradle version updated. This can help prevent many issues, including network-related ones. Regular updates ensure you have the latest fixes and features. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Java.NET socket exception and get your project building smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more troubleshooting tips, and remember to keep your tools updated.